ATTO FastFrame 10 gigabit Ethernet network interface cards offer leading Ethernet technology and are the only family of cards on the market offered in quad, dual, and single port configurations. They are available for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems and are ideal for Internet Protocol traffic, voice over IP, video on demand, and high-performance computer clustering. Also available are ATTO FastFrame 10 gigabit Ethernet Converged network adapters. These cards enable FCOE, iSCSI, and TCP/IP simultaneously to unify networks in data-intensive environments for the highest I/O throughput in the industry. Both products combine Intel's industry-leading Ethernet technology with ATTO's 23-year expertise in high-bandwidth data transfer. They support Mac OS X in rich content environments and media and entertainment markets, while also providing support for Windows and Linux servers when used in data center applications. For more information, please visit attotech.com or contact an ATTO authorized representative today.